View pages using split view on an iPad. Option 1. Use three dots icon. Open the first app you want to use in split view. Tap the multitasking button from the top of the menu. Select split view. This app will almost disappear from the screen to make way for your home screen. Tap the second app you want to open in split view. You can find it on the iPad dock, home screen, or in the app library. Both apps will immediately enter split view mode and share half of the screen each. Option 2. Use the app library. Open the first app on your iPad screen. Swipe up gently from the bottom of the screen to reveal the dock and tap the app library icon from the far right. Once you are in the app library, touch and hold a large app icon and drag it to the left or right edge of the screen to enter split view. See video for more information.